everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica and
Nick.
This is Nick, and he decided he wanted to help me open my Lola Beauty Box today. I've asked him a couple times before if he wanted to help me open, and he's always said no, so this is the first time he wanted to help me open. Isn't that exciting? Mm-hmm. Thumbs up. All right, Nick, you want to go ahead and open the box? Here, hold it up like this, and I'll hold the box. You go ahead and open the tab at the bottom. Pull it open. We just cut it open. Pull it open. Can I help? Okay, there we go. All right, go ahead. Pull it open. And there's everything. Wait. Oh. There's everything in the box. Mm-hmm. I think, did I not get my card? I didn't get a card. Aww. There's always a card in the box. There's no card this month.
Well, we got brushes and stuff.
There's absolutely no card in here. That stinks.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's fine. All right. Well, so what is that?
This is a new brush.
It's a new brush. Let's go ahead and look at it.
It's a double brush, exactly.
It says it is the C490 Duo Fiber Blush / Blender from Crown Brush. All right, so here it is. It is a double-ended brush. I don't have very many of these because I don't purchase any double-ended brushes. I prefer to have single-ended brushes. Just my preference. So there it is. All right, I'm going to slip this back in a sleeve because I don't think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I just don't use double-ended brushes, and I have so many brushes that I really don't need one that I'm not going to use.
Why you should try it?
Well, babe, because I don't think I'm going to use it.
Oh.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it to somebody else, and hopefully they can use it rather than just have it sit here and collect dust. Does that sound like a good idea? So I'm sharing.
All right, let's go on.
Hold on, let me put this back in the plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my giveaway drawer because I just don't think I'm going to use it. I don't use a lot of double-ended brushes.
All right,
so
next,
pull in. Okay. Next item
is High.
It's Tarte. It is the Golden Daydreams palette. So here's the box. And I've seen a couple people say that this was a limited edition box from 2016. I think it's holidays 2016, so it's about a year and a half old. But I also saw that people said that it's still being sold, so it's not like an old palette. But there it is, and whoa. The little piece of plastic. That's what the colors look like. What do you think? Are they pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know that I'm going to use this palette, so I think this might be another thing that I go ahead and put in my giveaway drawer, just because I don't think I'm going to use it. And I would much prefer to give this to somebody and have them use it than to keep it for myself and have it go bad in a drawer somewhere. So I think this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. It's very pretty. The purple, the bronzes, this is definitely colors I would wear. But I already have, I think, like 4 or 5 Tarte palettes, and I have very similar colors to these. So I think I'm going to give this away too. I'm going to hopefully get this to someone who will be able to use it more than I will, because I have so many eyeshadows, and although this is very pretty and these are definitely colors that I would love to wear, I'm not going to even touch it. Especially like this shade here, which is called Spiked Cider, Twinkle Lights, the Vixen color, the three shimmer colors in there, the brown shimmers I really think are pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this back in the box. And this will be the second item that I put in my giveaway drawer from Lola.
Probably, I don't know, everything we have in there is probably going to give away again.
You think everything's going to be for a giveaway?
I don't know.
I don't know what else is in there because we didn't get a card this month. What the heck, Lola? Okay.
Thanks for that.
Okay, you want to go ahead and grab the next thing?
What do we got here? We have a nail counter Lola Beauty Bench nail hair crime.
Let me see.
Crime.
So this is the Nail Couture Lauren B Beauty Beverly Hills Nourishing Hair Cream with Orchid and Peony. So here is the packaging. Okay. And let's see if it's open. Nope, it's got a safety seal. Do you think we should open it or just leave it?
Just leave it.
You think we should leave it? Do you think we should give it away or keep it?
Keep it.
You want to keep it?
Probably would just do it. Probably do it on an Epic Beauty Fail thing.
Okay, so this might end up in a giveaway. I don't know. I'm going to talk to John and see if he wants it. We've gotten a lot of lotions lately. And again, if I can give this to somebody and they can use it, all the more power to you, because I mean, I would keep it if I knew I was going to use it, but I don't know that I will. So I'd rather see somebody be able to use it. So we're going to put that aside as well. Pick the next thing out. So this is Sticks Cosmetics. It's a lipstick and it's the color red.
Color red, you.
Yeah, let's go ahead and get this open.
Man, these boxes doesn't want any opens. Like, Jessica, you're not letting me open.
Okay.
But too bad.
All right. So, oh, that's pretty. That's neat, right?
It's new.
That's neat. Okay. So it's in a neat shape here. And it's actually like triangular at the top. I don't know if that's showing because my camera's not focusing because someone likes to have their face on camera. Okay, let's see if I can get this open. Okay. And oh, no, that must be down. There it goes.
This could go up or down.
All right, so that's the amount of product that is in there. If you guys can see. So there's not a whole lot of product in here. Let me go ahead and swatch it.
Ooh.
What do you think of it, Nick?
Good.
Yeah?
We should probably keep it.
You think we should? Well, now that I swatched it, I'm definitely going to keep it. I don't give away things that I swatch. But there's the color right there. So, all right. We will keep that one. That's going to be the first keeper just because, like I said, I already swatched it. So I'm not going to give away a product that I swatched.
Okay.
All right, what's next?
The final one. All right, it's Juice Beauty Unorganization.
All right, so this is the organic solution, Juice Beauty, the organic solution. And this is a phytopigment cream shadow stick in the color 10 Cove.
Let's see.
Let's see what it looks like. So,
ooh,
it is a stick here.
Whoa.
Okay.
It's probably...
So here's the color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it as well to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Oh, that's pretty. It's very, very faint. You see it there?
Yeah.
That would almost be a good base. It's right here. So that would almost be a good base similar to like my MAC Painterly Paint Pot or like one of the others. So I don't know. I mean, I don't use cream shadows very often, but I will give this a try, especially since I'm giving away the Tarte palette. I will definitely keep that and give that a try, potentially in my Beauty Box Roundup video. Is that everything? Mm-hmm. And there's definitely no card in there, right? Definitely no card. That does stink. All right, let's recap what we got. We got the Juice Beauty Phytopigments pencil, cream shadow. We got the red Sticks Cosmetics lipstick, the Lauren B Beauty Nourishing Hand Cream, the dual-sided brush from Crown Brushes, and the Tarte, what is this called again? The Tarte Golden Daydreams palette.
Yeah.
So what do you think of this box? Thumbs up or thumbs... Oh, it's okay?
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right. You should wrap up this one.
All right. So that is the end of my video for today. If you like this video or if you just enjoyed seeing my son Nicholas, give it a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Say hello to Nicholas. It's almost his birthday. He's about to turn 11. And we're going to film another video. He's going to do Mama's makeup. So,
Part 2.
Actually, I think you might see that video before this video. I think that video is going to post on Thursday, and this video is posting on Friday. So you will have already seen that. I will link that down below so you can take a look if you haven't seen it. But from me and my dear son, Nicholas, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.